How to make your windshield wiper blades last up to 10 years? That's doable, it's possible, and this video will go through all that stuff. Let's get begin. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell and you won't miss any videos. And why does rubber dry out? That's a big question. And rubber is one of the polymers, and ultraviolet light affects the molecular chains. Okay, for this job we need a rack and we need a lubricant, silicone or silicone lube based, and those two things will work for us pretty good. And those molecular chains break, and as a result causing the rubber to dry, crack and crumble. Alright, put the towel and like I'm doing, place it there. This is one way to spray, and spray the silicone based lubricant on a rubber part of the windshield wiper. And how to keep a rubber from drying? To keep it inside, but we cannot keep the windshield wiper blades inside, and means we need to prevent that process happening is keep them lubricated, keep them moist a little bit. And as we know, lubricant is our best friend. Okay, everything has a shelf life, and if you see someone's telling it will last forever, nothing lasts forever, and rubber has a shelf life, and it's up to 10 years. Butyl, nitrile, SBR, and natural rubber will last up to 5 years, and we can squeeze much life from the blades as possible and go and start with the high quality blades. Those ones are Michelin, that are top of the line with a good rubber component. And before you go and wipe it out the blades, let them soak for 5-10 minutes. Repeat this procedure twice a year, and that will make your blades last a long time. Thank you so much guys again for watching. If you would like to support my small hobby YouTube channel, please go and watch more videos. That's one on the top, that's one on the bottom. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go and do it right now. Big thank you for that. Yeah, see you soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.